Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is for zodiac sign Pisces, and the question is what is going to happen in the month of September 2020 to my dear Pisces. I'm going to shuffle your cards. Okay, for my dear Pisces, your first card is you are no more determined or stubborn over here about some situation. I want to clarify that card. I think you are blocking someone over here. You are not blocking someone, and till a long time you are giving them the time to change themselves. But now when you see that they are not changing themselves, you are going to block that person to coming towards you or to coming towards your some loved ones. Okay, then you have this nine of wands. You are defensive over here. You want to defend your loved ones or yourself, so that you are blocking someone over here. Okay, there is some devil kind of thing over here. I want to clarify this card. Why is this devil card? Okay, because devil card is represent that someone wants to restrict you, or you want to restrict someone, or you want to change someone with you, and also that you are wearing some mask on over your face, and you are not telling others truth. You are lying to others because you want a happy home life. That's why you are doing this, and you want to have a happiness in your life, in your happy home life. Okay, this is not a bad matter. You have no bad desires in yourself, that you are like a devil person, but you want to protect your home, you want to protect yourself, you want to protect your loved ones and your happiness. That's why you are doing this. Okay, you are very much attracted to someone. You want to have a good lovely relationship with that person. That's why you are doing this, and you are moving towards that person. You have a journey towards that person. You are moving towards that person. You are doing something to have that person in your life. Then you are working hard to have that person. Maybe if you are a man, you are making the home, you are making the money to make that person happy. Or if you are a woman, you are praying for that person. You are trying to cook something, and learn to cook something, something like this. And but someone is not attracted towards you. Someone is not coming towards you. They have no desire to come to you. They have to end something over here. When they end something over here, then they will begin something new. Okay, they have something in their hand. They are doing some job. Till the time they don't end that job, they don't end that thing, they will not come to you. And they are not telling you that they are in love with you, or they are not giving you any sign that they want to come to you, or they love you, or they are happy with you. And they are not crying over it. Someone is thinking that this is good, that they don't tell you that they have a desire towards you. Because if they tell you before the time, you are going to wait for them. You are going to have some plans in your mind or some desires about that person, and that person don't know that whether they are going to succeed in this situation or not. Okay, and yes, they are not able, or you are not able to cut someone from your life. You are not that solid person. You are not that cruel person, or you don't have the ability to do it. Okay, or this is that person of your, that they are not doing this, and with this their burden from their shoulders, they have losing it. Okay, because of doing these things, the burden from your shoulders are getting is getting loose. Okay, and you are being a person King of Wands, Leo card. You are very energetic person, very brave. You are brave person. That's why you are letting them have their time to um, get their home things, home job done, or what they want to do. If they have some responsibility from their towards their children or their parents, you are letting them, you are giving them their time to take your time. And when you will you are free from that situation, come towards me. You are waiting for them. You are a brave person. You are a good person. You are caring about that person. You are love that person. This is the real love, that you give them their time. Do what you want to do. Okay. And with this sun card, this is also the Leo card. Definitely you are giving them their time, and then when they come to you, they they know everything about you now, that you are giving them their time, you are loving them, you are caring about them. Then they will, when they come to you, they will come with a lot of love, with lot of desire, with lot to give you. Okay. Because you are sacrificing for them, and they know that they have a lot of desires towards you. They have made a lot of plans. They are making a plan to make you happy, to give their love to you. Okay. And they are coming towards you now. After they are getting free from their job, they are coming towards you with this cup in their hand. They are offering you their heart. This cup is their heart. They are offering you their heart. They are proposing you. Okay. And they are caring about you. If this is a lady or man, whatever they are going to care about you. They are already holding your photo in their hand, and they are looking at it, and they are praying for you. They are praying to God for you. Okay. And they are coming out of their bad time. They are stuck over. They think they are stuck over. They are missing you. They want to have you in their life. They want to win this desire. They are blocked over here. You had blocked them at your first, with your first card. You had blocked them. You have leave your determination. You have leave your stubbornness, and then you let them go and do what they are. They are stuck over, and now they think that you are very good person, and they make it their mind. Then whenever they are free from their duties, they are coming towards you. They have this desire to win you. They are leaving everyone to come towards you, and then they are planning to have a good home life with you. And they are making their mind, and they have a lot of love and lot of desires towards you, and they want to and they are uh, they had made their mind over here to come towards you, to give their love to you, to protect you, to give you all happiness in the life. Now I want to get some oracle cards for you. Okay, there is this card, the Storm Angel, Fusion of Beliefs, Styles, Attitudes, Energies. They are having some kind of disaster in their mind. They are not happy in their job, in their duties. They want to come to you. They want to free themselves. They want to be independent. They are or maybe you both have these things in your life, but with the passage of time, this situation is going to end, and your bond is going to deepen. Now I want to have some more cards for you. Okay, what's for my dear Pisces in month of September 2020, and what is the outcome of this situation, of this reading? Give me some card I need to see. Show me the card I need to see. Show me the card I need to see. Give me some card. Okay. now you are having, stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, stay optimistic, they will come to you, they will surely come to you. The universe is telling you, they will surely come to you, they will surely going to marry you. And let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Okay, you need some help, you need some help from others, from your friends, from someone, and you ask them for help. Don't be shy, don't be like, "Oh, why I am asking them for help." If you want some help from others, get the help in this situation. What is the outcome of this situation from a fire, from a Pisces? Yes. Wolf. Wolf part. The wolf person is danger all, for for all others, but this person is a family person, uh, one woman's or one man's person, and that they are not leaving you. If they are going to marry you, they will not leave you, they will not leave you at any cost. They are sorry, sorry guys, they are going to take this level, love, to the next level, to the third level, to the highest level. This person is good for you, and you are doing this all, you are sacrificing for this good person. Okay. Okay, this is what I have got for you, my dear Pisces, for the month of September 2020. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe my reading. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my videos. You will surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. Say bye. Bye.